It was an emotional moment for the family and friends of Miss Nattallie Dawkins as they gathered just in order to pay their final respect to the Clarendon teacher that was abducted from her home on March 30, then her body discovered in Sandy Bay, Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we're about to provide you with an update of the funeral service that was held today. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The memorial service for Nattallie Miranda Dawkins, the Clarendon teacher who was abducted on March 30 at her home in 4 parts, and then a body believed to be that of hers later found in Sandy Bay, Clarendon, was held earlier today. A family release said that Dawkins, a Jehovah's Witness, spent the 22 years of her teaching career at the 4 parts primary school and junior high in Clarendon and enjoyed sharing the Bible messages of hope with her neighbors. The Dawkins family conveyed their appreciation to all those who have reached out to their family and also offered their level of comfort and prayers and expressions of comfort and solidarity during this difficult time. Special thanks goes out to the man and woman of the Jamaica Constabulary Force who worked tirelessly to find Nattallie's body. Additionally, the family is forever grateful to the Jamaica Teachers Association, in particular the president as well, who support them during this difficult time. Due to the COVID-19 protocols outlined by the Jamaican government, the memorial service was slated to be streamed virtually. The news of Miss Nattallie Dawkins just over a month sent shockwave throughout the entire teaching fraternity and the country at large after news spread of the untimely passing of the Clarendon-based teacher. Her killers were actually taken into custody and a number of them taken out by the police in what police believe was a shootout, and her vehicle that was taken from her house was also recovered. The police have also identified some other items that belonged to Miss Dawkinson's house, and those were too also recovered. The police are still carrying out their investigation in order to ascertain the real motive behind the taking out of the Clarendon-based teacher. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.